Hey, what up guys, welcome back to the channel. Now that we have taken care of the airbag problem with color mismatching, so now we are going to be washing the engine bay, and I want to show you what it looks like right now. Yep, it is really dirty. I haven't touched it since I got the car. It was dirty like this. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna wash it, scrub it, and make it look like brand new, because it is really filthy. And what I'm gonna be using is, I have these, but I won't be using those. I will be using these. Same thing, but actually it doesn't stink as bad as this one. So let's get to it. So I got the battery out, the air intake out, and the rest of it I'm just gonna spray it. I'm just gonna use this first. Just let it soak up. And the wells everywhere. Somebody said don't spray the the alternator, but we're gonna give it a little bit of shine. Damn, this shit stinks. Alright, the rest I'm gonna have to scrub with a little brush. Alright, I scrubbed the best I could. Actually, I'll be honest, it kind of got boring, so I scrubbed as best as I could. So let's just power wash it, or wash it off, rinse it off, whatever you want to call it. Already looking better. Alright, I'm gonna do the rest of this. Looks like I'm gonna have to wash the car now. And we'll get back to the final results. Alright, for undercarriage, I got this from my buddy. I was gonna spray. Actually, the compressor or the pressure washer is not on, so let me turn it on. Pretty good. Alright, let me set up the camera. decently washed. Now that I got it washed, I gotta try scrubbing these, but looks like I'm gonna have to do more elbow grease on the engine. But so far, it looks good. Now we gotta start it up and make sure it burns off. Alright, here are the results. It's a little bit cleaner. I mean, all the dust and the mud is off, but however, it's not really clean. So what I'm gonna do right now is gonna get some detergent and some microfiber cloths, and I'm gonna hand clean all this up, and I'll show you the end result. I'm gonna bore you with that, but let's get to it. Alright, after an hour of hand cleaning this engine bay, it came out really good. And then I noticed this is like literally not painted from factory. It kind of like bugs me. I was gonna paint it right now, but I'm gonna be painting the car later, so I'll kind of clean up this whole area as well, clean it up, and then kind of paint it up, because it looks like it's only like a primer here. So but yeah, after an hour it's worth it. Like, it's really clean, looks really nice. And then for the final product, I'm going to use engine detailer, which is this bad boy. So all you have to do is spray it on and it'll be like factory clean. I know this attracts dust, and same thing with the air filter. I didn't go ham on it because I have a replacement aftermarket filter I'm going to be installing pretty soon. But right now I'm just going to spray with this and show you the results. Alright, let's use this bad boy up, clean up the rest of the engine. There's some spots like where you can't reach with a hand or anything, so this should kind of clean it up. No rinsing or anything like that, so just spray it on. I'm just gonna spray everything down, because I'm planning to clean it again after a while, because I want to get more of this dirt off this engine. But right now the whole goal is to make it nice, representable. This literally smells like a tire cleaner, so and I had this thing for a while, so might as well just go and use it. I'm not sure if you should be using this on a belt, but we'll find out. I don't know if this is the right choice, but okay. I don't know, I think this is a bit much, but you get the point. Now it's clean. I'm gonna let this dry and we'll come back to it. Alright, here's a final product. Let me throw in some before and after pictures right here so you can see that. This product is actually pretty good. It's drying out pretty cool, and it's like really clean, leaves everything nice and shiny like it's brand new from factory. And some of this should burn off still after when you start the car, but let me start it off for a little bit and bring it inside. In conclusion, this is definitely worth all the effort we put in it. Look how cool it is. She's smoking a little bit because she's gonna burn off even more of that stuff. Oh yeah, I'm really happy with that. With that being said, make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button, and thank you so much for watching. I know it wasn't much, but it is a clean engine bay, so I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.